In this week's episode, we see that orange prices officially moved into an upward trend and can increase sharply from here on out, while pumpkin prices have reached new record levels again. Banana prices are about 120% higher due to some weather issues. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and this is the AMT John Deere Fruit and Vegetable Outlook, brought to you by John Deere, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic irrigation systems. Feel free to visit our website at amtrends.co.za for the latest prices, information and more detailed reports. You can also enjoy these videos on YouTube and Facebook or join one of our popular WhatsApp groups. I'll be at Nampo Cape this week and look forward to seeing everyone there. Make sure not to miss the John Deere and Zimmatic stalls. I know they have some great deals there, with John Deere offering a prime minus 9% rate on some of their models. But with that said, let's look at what happened in the economy over the past week. The rand is trading a bit stronger on 19 rand 2 cents per US dollar due to investors having more risk appetite, which increased the demand for the rand. Supply and demand continue to play a significant role in the Brent oil prices, with the price stabilizing on $90 per barrel on Monday morning. Lower global production still drives these prices upward, while concerns about lower demand is counteracting the upward momentum at the moment. Looking at the latest movements in the vegetable market, the average national potato price increased by another 11% to 86 rand 16 per 10 kilogram bag, while the average class 1 large medium mondial price traded between 92 and 97 rand per 10 kilogram bag on Nile.ag. Yields are lower this year, mostly due to load shedding and high input costs, which is keeping prices on a higher level at the moment. We are, however, in the middle of the month, which could result in low demand and prices that can decrease or at least stabilize for the coming week. Tomato prices also started to pick up and increased by 13% to 5.78 rand per kilogram, mostly due to volumes decreasing by about 13% week on week. The expectation is that less volumes can result in higher prices over the next 2 weeks and that the price can stay on a high level during October as well. The national average carrot price decreased to 4.91 per kilogram last week, while the class 1 large price still traded on 55 rand per 10 kilogram bag on Nile.ag. Expect lower prices this week due to lower demand, but I think prices can maintain current levels until the start of December, when it can start picking up. Onion prices decreased to 81 rand 60 per 10 kilogram bag, which is 8% lower week on week, mostly due to low demand and higher volumes on the markets. The brown class 1 large medium price on Nile.ag stayed on 90 rand per 10 kilogram bag. Looking forward, we are expecting prices to stay on a slightly higher level until the end of this year due to lower volumes expected on the markets. This broadcast is made possible by John Deere, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic irrigation systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and of course faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag and download their app for easy trading. For a journey of a lifetime, let Halfway Toyota Ottery help you find your first prize. For more information, contact their dealer principal Andrew VM directly on 083 457 8057 and get the best price nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. The average pepper price increased to 24.72 rand per kilogram, while green pepper prices increased to 20.27 rand. Red pepper prices increased to 36.64 rand, while yellow pepper prices again decreased to 24.29 rand per kilogram. Cabbages remained on extremely low levels of 2.13 rand. Garlic continued to increase, trading on 76.56 rand per kilogram. Spinach prices decreased to 2.09 rand, while sweet potato prices increased to R8.56 last week. The pumpkin price has reached new record levels and is now 111% higher year on year, trading on R10.09 per kilogram the past week. Moving over to the fruit markets, however, the banana price, as mentioned, increased by another 8% the past week and is currently trading on R11.49 per kilogram, which is about 121% higher than a year ago. The current volumes on the markets is about 47% lower than last year, which is driving these extremely high prices. Low volumes were due to some frost that we had about 8 weeks ago. The expectation is that these higher prices can persist until the end of the year due to lower supply expected. Apple prices increased to R9.83, while pear prices decreased to R9.30 per kilogram. Pear prices can potentially increase sharply soon as local volumes will likely decrease. The orange price officially moved into its upward trend the past week and increased by 14% to R4.39 per kilogram, with volumes about 35% lower week on week. Expect these prices to increase sharply from here on out. Apple prices stayed on R16.55 last week. Table grape prices decreased to R48.58, while the latest pineapple price increased to R7.25 per kilogram. Nampo Cape is just around the corner and Zimmatic is excited to offer an exclusive deal to all its loyal clients. Sign a deal with Zimmatic at Nampo and you'll receive an exclusive discount on your next pivot. Visit Zimmatic at stall 119 and talk to them about the right irrigation solutions for your farm. Contact Tanya on 082-853-0265 for more information. These videos are made possible by John Deere, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.